You learn how to do what?
How to be a hacker.
Hacker. Oh my god, that is genius.
My
Oh my
brother
god, it's
also.
oh,
My
that is
uncle
so
teach
cool.
me because my uncle also learned hacker.
Oh, oh my god, that must be very cool. Was it interesting?
Yes, it's fun.
It's fun. Okay,
Yes,
so
it's
why
fun.
did you learn hacking? What you're gonna do now?
Today, at 6, 7 Asia, I sleep in the hotel. Actually,
Oh no
I
no no.
mean, my my dad friend is in the hotel right now. Yeah, in the hotel. So when we go to the hotel, my dad also have a plan. So we, when my dad and my mom is their friend, we swim at the hotels like that.
Okay. Okay, that is so cool. But that is such a good day. That's gonna be a good day. But I was asking you about why did you learn hacking? What are you gonna do after learning hacking? What you're gonna do with it?
Like I'm gonna searching some information like something that had bet or something in some in some website or something, and then when I knew it, I'm gonna call the owner of that place team, and we can get money because my uncle teacher is only um of like I don't know. I forgot what it's
He's a hacker. He is in a software company or something. Okay, it's okay. Okay, that sounds a really good
it was
idea. Though you're gonna earn
like
money.
it's my uncle is already already working, right, and and the teacher that teach my uncle is not even working yet. He he is just done school. Really, just done school.
Oh,
Cause he is the teacher is all already get money from NASA. You know NASA from NASA
yeah.
and get $1,600 from that.
Oh my God, that is so cool.
Yeah, that is
Mashallah.
so. Yeah,
Yeah, this is very
that's so cool.
inspiring. You
That's
get inspired
insane.
from him.
Yeah, my uncle told me. That's why I want to be a hacker. But actually,
That's why you want to be a hacker. That he inspired you a lot, right?
and also my uncle says searching information just like that. Also like playing games. It's just fun. So when I hear
Oh,
that, I just want it. Like that's
oh,
cool. I'm fun that.
yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah,
I really hope that you would earn money and you would be a good software or engineer or something related to tech. So
yeah.
I really want to see you successful. Like you would be working with NASA. I really hope that and I wish for it. And I would be very proud if you would do that.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. Okay, so do you remember what was the topic that we were doing in our last class?
We were doing fraction thing, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
we were doing
fraction.
fractions, simplification of a
Yeah,
fractions. We
yes.
had a quiz. Remember, we had quiz. I'm gonna share the screen
Oh
with
yeah,
you
I
of
remember.
the.
I remember.
I checked it out
Yeah.
and I'm gonna share it with you.
Okay.
First,
And also, I'm gonna bring my book first, okay?
yeah, sure. Okay, let me share this.
Okay, already
You're
free.
back.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay, okay. So this is. Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay, so this is the quiz. I have checked it out. There's some tiny little tiny mistakes in it. I just want to confirm it before I give you the score. So I guess can you let me zoom it in? Okay. Can you see the?
Yeah,
Okay.
wait.
Can you see this thing?
Yeah, I can see.
It says simplify 4 over 8.
Yes,
4 8, it says simplify 4 over 8 and you said 2 over 4. That is a correct answer, but you have to simplify it further. You have to tell me the simplest form. It can be simplified further. Can you do that?
what do you mean further?
Further means you need to simplify it again. More
Oh,
simplification. Yeah. So after simplifying it again, it's gonna be what?
what do you mean simplify it?
Simplify again means, can you see the question number one? We have 2 over 4, right? This is the exactly same fraction like this one. So you simplify this fraction and you get 1 over 2, right?
Yeah,
Yes. But when you have the 4 over 8, you
yeah.
simplify this and you get 2 over 4. But this is not the final answer. You have to simplify it again to get the simplest form, which is 1 over 2.
I'm going to simplify it.
Get it?
Yeah,
Yeah, you get it? So
yeah,
it's gonna
I
be
get
over
it.
to whenever, yeah, whenever I ask you about to simplify the simplest form, that means that doesn't mean the simplify once. That means simplify till you get your simplest answer. Okay? Okay, something went wrong. Let me let me open that up again. Yeah. Okay. So same is the case with the question. We have 6 over 12.
Wait, is it the answer is 2/4, the final answer?
No, the final answer should be 1 over 2.
It's the same.
Yeah. Okay. 4 over 8 was the question. You simplify it, you get 2 over 4, right? You're gonna again simplify and you're gonna get 1 over 2. So that would be your final answer.
Oh, yeah.
Get it? Okay. Now I want you to solve the question number 5. We have question number 5, 6 over 12. Tell me the simplest form, and then I'm gonna give you the score for this.
6 over 12.
Yes. Tell me the simplest form.
6 over.
Sure.
Is it 3 over 6 or 6 over 3?
No, no, no. Okay. So 3 over 6. Yes. I told you about the 6 over 12. That is equals to 3 over 6, which is correct. But this form can be further simplified. Simplification, again simplification. We need another simplification.
Oh! I get it. Is it 1 over 2?
Excellent. Yes. So it's going to be 1 over 2. So you see, we have sometimes we would be having some numbers that need more simplification. Two step simplification, right? Right, I guess. Okay. So there, I'm gonna give the score for you. Score you for that. Okay. We have question number 7. It says 4/12. Can you simplify it further? Like, tell me the simplest
Yeah.
form, most simple form. Yeah, do it and tell me the answer.
2 over 8.
2/8. Is this the simplest form? I guess, is this the simplest form?
Wait, no. 5 teacher. Is it 1 over 4?
No.
1 over 2 over 8?
Yeah, it's not 2/8. This one is wrong. This is not correct though. Do it again.
That's not the answer.
You get? Do you not get it?
Yeah, I did not get it.
Okay. now let's do it. We have 4 over 12, right? Let's divide the 4 by 2, and so does 12 by 2. Divide the both numbers by 2, we get what?
What?
4 divided by 2 is
4 divided by 2 is 2.
2, good. 12 divided by 2 is
12 divided by 2 is 8.
no.
That's 6.
Yes, it is 6. Now you get the correct fraction. Okay, now you
Oh,
need to
I was wrong
simplify.
about when I was counting it.
Yeah. Okay, now you need to further simplify it further, and then tell me the final answer.
What now?
Simplify the fraction 2 over 6 again and tell me the answer.
2 over 6. So after that, I get the score.
Yeah.
Yung galing ko mo rin kung si Takit eh, yato, 2 over 3. So si Takit,
No, it's not 2 over 3. You're close, but it's not like
two,
that. Pay
2
attention, pay attention.
over 2, 2 over 2.
The numerator should be something else.
Nanti kalau pakai itu malah makin sakit, Una bakal gak sembuh-sembuh. 2 over 4. Malah
No,
kung pakai itu
numerator.
masuk 2 over
Agis, pay
4.
attention. Numerator. No, numerator should be something else. You need to divide the 2 by 2. Divide and divide the 6 with 2.
1 over 3.
Excellent. So it is 1 over 3. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so we have question number 10. It says the 6 over 18.
6 over 18.
Tell me the simplest form.
Nangis. Habisin sa taon na po. Kalau mau bisa 3 over 9.
3 over 9.
Yes.
Do you think it's the final answer? Do you think it can be further simplified? It can be more simplified?
Yes.
Do it?
Over
It is what?
3.
Good job. Yes, it is 1 over 3. Good job. That is correct. Okay, now we have the question 11 and 12. Question 11 is 4 over 8. What's the simplest form of 4 over 8? You circle the 4 over 8. It is not the simplest form. Why did you circle the 4 over 8, Akis?
I don't really know, but
Can you tell me what's the simplest form of it?
simplest form is 2 over 4.
Is 2 over 4 is the simplest form?
Yes.
No. 2 over 4 can be further simplified, can be again simplified.
1 over 2.
Yes, so 1 over 2 is the answer, not 4 over 8. Okay? Right? Okay, next is question number 12, 6 over 12. Tell me the simple form of 6 over 12. We have already done this question in part 1.
The answer is 3 over 6.
Do you think 3 over 6 is the answer?
Yes.
You need to tell me the answer in simplest form, not the
1,
simple form,
1
simplest.
over 2. 1 over
Yes. So it's gonna be 1 over 2. Good job. So the answer should be 1 over 2, which is B. Okay. Now we have question 14, which is 8 over 12. Tell me the simplest form of, not simple, simplest, most simple form.
1 over 6.
Uh, is this the simplest form?
2 over 3.
Excellent. Yes. This is the simplest form. This is simple. This is simplest. There is no further simple next form, right? So this is 2 over 3. I'm correcting it out. And okay, in the part, okay, we have the question 15, 10 over 20. This is such an easy question. 10 over 20.
1 over 2.
Excellent. Why didn't you write 1 over 2? Why didn't you circle the option 1 over 2? You circle 2 over 4.
Written.
It is 1 over 2. Good job. Okay, in the part C, we have. Okay. Let me share the other screen so that you can read the whole question and tell the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Let me. Can you see the screen? Okay. Tell me the question 16. Read the question 16 and tell me the answer.
2 over
Make sure
4.
that it says the simplest, not the simple, but
2
the
over
simplest.
4.
1 over
2/4.
2 over 4.
Yes.
Do you think it's the simplest form?
Yeah.
No, it's the simple form, not the simplest. I guess simplify it again and tell me the final answer.
1/2.
Yes. So 1 over 2 would be the simplest form. Okay, now read the question 17 and tell me the final answer.
So 1/2.
Excellent. So this is correct. Okay, so that was it. Now you know that if we ask you about the simplest form, let me teach you something. Let me show you something. I'm gonna write here. When it says the simple form, let's talk about this question. We have 8 over 12. It says the simple form. The simple form would be 4 over 6. This is the simple form. But when we say the simplest would be when we are going to again simplify it. That would be the simplest, which is
Okay.
going to be, yeah, which is going to be 2 over
Um,
3.
2/3.
So this is the simplest form, right? We have simple and simplest. Okay? Okay, I
Okay.
get it. Okay, okay, good. Okay, so that was it for the topic, simplifying fraction. In our today's class, we are gonna do some other interesting topic, that is that is comparing of the fractions. Comparing fractions.
Yes,
Do you
bukuan na
have,
tolong mana?
sorry, what? I guess did you say something?
I say,
Okay. Yes. Open up the book if you have. Okay. Okay, so now in today's class, we're gonna learn about comparing fractions. We used to have the
what
fractions,
is
and
comparing fraction means?
yeah, comparing fractions means we are going to compare two fractions. Let me show you something. Uh, can you see the blank paper?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Okay. So when we say we are comparing fractions, comparison, we're doing comparison. So what does comparison mean? Comparison is something that we have two things and we compare these two things. Either which thing is bigger, which thing is smaller. Let's say we have a box, right? We have a box, we have another box, and we are now gonna compare these two boxes. Let's say one is filled with the yellow color and the other one is filled with the pink color. So when we compare these two boxes, compare, we,
Yes.
we are gonna say that one box is with yellow, other box is pink. And let's say we say that this box is smaller. Let's say this is smaller box. This is a smaller box, this is a bigger box. So we are gonna say this is small and this is bigger, right? So what we are doing comparison. We are comparing two boxes, right?
Yes.
This is what means compare. Okay?
Oh, I get
It can
it.
also be, yeah, you get it. It can also be like you compare your scores from last exam to next exam to come exam. Let's say you in last exam
Okay.
you scored 40 out of 50. We're just comparing, we're just imagining, right? And in recent exam you scored 45 out of 50. So what you did, you compared it. We had 40 out of 50 in last, and we have you have now 45 out of 50. So what do you think? Which one is greater?
I think that the next
Yes.
one
So
except
45, in which you scored 45 out of 50, this one is bigger. This one is better, right?
yes.
But means you scored good in it, right? This one was good, but this one is better. This one is excellent. This one is even better than the before, right? Right? This is what we say the comparison. Let's say we have 4 over 5 and we have 3 over 5. What do you think? When we compare it, what do you think? Which one is bigger? Yes, Agis, which one is bigger?
4/5.
Yes, 4 over 5 is bigger, right? So what we did, we compare. We compare these two fractions.
Oh, I already know now.
Yeah, you know it? I guess pay attention. Okay, so you know it. What we did, we compared two fractions, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's take some more examples. Let's say we have, let's say we have 12 over 29 and we have 10 over 29. Which one is better? Which one is
12
bigger?
over 29.
12 over 29. When we say, let's say we have 24 over 30 and 26 over 30. Which one is better? Which one is better? Yes, I guess. Which one is bigger?
The bigger is 1 minute with the steps out of
Yes, excellent. 26 is bigger, right?
it. It's
Okay,
math.
now what if I guess we have two fractions. Let's say let me see. Let's say 2 over 3 and 3 over 4. What do you think? Which one is bigger between these two?
So 3 over 4.
Which one?
3 over 4.
3 over 4 is bigger? Okay, how did you know that?
Um, so wait, no, the bigger is it's the same. It was
It's the
this.
same?
Yes, it is the same.
No, it is not the same. Okay, so now you see, as you see, we had different denominators here. In previous examples, we used to have same denominator 29, 29, 30, 30, and even before that 5, 5. We used to have same denominator. But the situation would be different when we would be having a different denominators, right? So what do we do when we have different denominators? What we're gonna do?
I don't know.
You didn't know? Okay, let's see what should we do when we have different denominators in the book. We have the book, it says, okay, for example, which should give you more of cake, 2 over 3 of it or 3 over 4 of it? This is tricky with different denominators. Comparing fractions with the same denominator is easy. For example, 4 over 5 is bigger than 2 over 5. We know 4 over 5 is bigger than 2 over 5, right? To compare any fractions, change them to equivalent fraction with the common denominator. This means they have the same denominator. So the denominators should be same. This is very crucial. It should be like it should be the very important thing to compare two fractions. The denominator, it is compulsory that the denominator should be same, right? And it says in example, which is larger fraction, 2 over 3 or 3 over 4. Find the equivalent fractions to 2 over 3 and 3 over 4 that have the common denominator, right? So we're gonna find a fraction that have the common denominator. So what we're gonna do, let me share the other screen. What we're gonna do, we are gonna make the other fraction this way so that they can have the common denominators. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Let's first take this example. This fraction, we have 2 over 3. When we multiply 2 over 3 by 1, we get what, I guess?
We get
Hurry up.
3/3.
We get 2 over 3. Good. Okay, when we have 2 over 3 and we multiply it by 2, we get
We gain 4/2.
4. Okay, so what we did, we are not only multiplying by 2, we are dividing it by 2 as well. So 2 would be multiplied by 2 and 3 would be multiplied by 2 as well. 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is
3 times 2 is what?
it's 6.
3.
Yeah. Okay, now what if we times 2 over 3 by 3 over 3? Now can you tell me what would be the answer?
2 and 2.
2 times 3 is
2 times 3 is
and 3 times 3 is 3 times 3 is
1.
1.
1, yes.
No, 3 times
So
3
2,
is 1.
2, I mean, so 2,
No,
then what?
you tell me. Count the 3 times table and tell me 3 times 3 is what?
Oh, 3 times 3 is 4. Ah, move.
3 times 3 is 4. No, it's not 4. Tell me the 3 times table. Yes, so 3 times 3 is 9. You get you get it? Okay, okay, stop doing the TikTok dances. I guess pay attention. Okay, so we have 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, next is you're gonna do the next, which is 3 over 2 times 4. Can you do that?
But,
Times the
but
whole fraction by 4.
8, 8 over 8/16.
Now, I think you need to revise the tables. You keep forgetting that it's not 16, it's something else.
Wait, but 12.
Yes, so it is 12, right? So, okay, so it says that all, okay, that's the most interesting part. It says all of these fractions are equal.
Okay,
Yes. So how come, isn't it interesting that how 2 over 3 is equals to 4 over 6 and 6 over 9 and 8 over 12? All of these fractions are equal.
okay,
You get it? All of these fractions are equal. How come? How all of these fractions are equal? How we can say that? Although there's a huge difference between the numbers. We have 2 here, we have 8 here, we have 3 here, we have 12, we have 6, 9. So these are very huge numbers. The numbers are being increased, but how can we say that we all of these fractions are equal? We can say it by knowing that we know simplification of the fractions. When we simplify a fraction like this, 8 over 12, so the simplest form would be 2 over 3. So we say that 8 over 12 is equals to 2 over 3. Now you know how all of these fractions are same, are equal. You get it? So this is the form. This is the most simplest form.
Okay.
This is the simplest form. This is the next form. This is next, and this is the bigger form. Right?
Yeah.
That's the most simple one, and that's the most bigger one in these all of these fractions. Right?
Yeah.
So that's how we say that these all of these fractions are equal. What we did, we compare these fractions. We say 2 over 3 is equal to 4 over 6 and is equals to 6 over 9, although they all had the different denominators with different numerator, but we say that all of these four fractions are equal, right? Okay, okay. So that was it for our today's class. In our next class, we are gonna continue that talk. We are gonna continue that topic, and we're gonna learn further about the fractions and how to compare these two fractions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have any questions regarding today's class?
I don't think so. I don't have.
Do you understand our today's lecture
Yes.
completely?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, good. Okay, so that was it for our today's class, and I hope to see you in the next class soon. Bye bye, Agis.
Bye. See you later.
See you.
Miss, boleh kok kali bikin nggak? Ya, belum.